Welcome to episode 843, Turakhia Brothers, India's youngest self-made billionaires. This is an outline of episode 843. There are two reasons we study the Turakhia Brothers. First, they were India's youngest self-made billionaires. They made billionaires before the age of 35. Second, they were serial entrepreneurs, having created more than 12 successful internet companies. Turakhia Brothers were born to a middle-class family in Mumbai, India, in 1979 and 1982, respectively. They started programming at age 10. They started computer consulting at age 14. They were fabulously rich and successful in their 20s. Legend said the Turakhia Brothers started Directi with a $345 loan from his father when they were teenagers.
This is Turakhia. I am the co-founder of the Directi group. Basically, I'm just about to discuss a little bit about how I started up this particular company in this particular group. I was very entrepreneurial growing up. By the time that I was just 13, I was selling computer projects to other school students within my school. The primary differentiator and the reason for Directi's success are, one, we hire the best people. What we do is once we get people in, we try and provide them with tools and the training and the knowledge and the ability to get stuff done, and then leave all the decisions to them. Because once you've got good people working for you, automatically it means that the probability of success has substantially increased.
Next, how they became billionaires before the age of 35. There were two parts.
In 2014, we'd done a transaction where we sold 4 of the brands that we own to the Endurance Group for about 160 million. And even prior to that, we've had various different successes.
So that's $160 million in 2014. In 2016, sold the edtech firm Media.net for $900 million to a consortium of Chinese investors.
Carved out a space in the crowded area known as contextual advertising.
Based on what you're reading, we identify the topics and we show you relevant ads from within that space. So for example, if you're reading you're reading content around buying a new luxury car, we've identified that and we'll show you an ad related to buying a new luxury car. And hence it's a lot more relevant for you as a user.
Some people might say that they don't want to be bombarded with ads.
And that's what contextual helps doing, right? Because to your point, people don't like way too many ads. I mean,
now, the two secrets of their success.
About the sort of, I guess, advantages in some sense of bootstrapping. We are wiser when we spend our money. We kind of make sure that we're getting true value for each dollar. And so that's certainly been an advantage. We focus on profitability and monetization, really study a space. You know, one of the things that I've constantly told people, both in the company and outside, is focus on creating value, not valuation.
On scaling.
Anyways, you have to change and evolve your process of thinking as you grow, because when you are a 10 people startup, you know everybody in your company. When you are a 50 people startup, you still know everybody in your company, but you don't talk to everybody in your company every day. When you're a 200 people company, you still know everybody in your company, but they're maybe 2 or 3 layers down. Right? When you're a 1,000 people plus company, you don't know everybody in your company, you don't know the names of everybody in your company. So your style of management has to continue to evolve as you scale, and it needs to be completely different. And one of the things that you have to think about as you're scaling is never linear.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave your questions and comments below. My next video will be the Turakhia Brothers 10 lessons. Wishing everyone peace and prosperity.